Hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Mutturaj and I welcome you all to the Me for You Master Speakers Club. I request each and every member who is there in the group to introduce yourself from your name and which city you're from and which state you're from, since we have in the group people from different places of India. So we'll start with President Anjali.
Hello everyone, I'm Anjali Kulkarni. I'm from Hubli, Karnataka.
Niti.
Very good afternoon everyone. My name is Niti. I am from Hubli, Karnataka.
Shubh.
Hello everyone, very good afternoon. I'm Shubh Mungarwadi from Hubli, Karnataka.
Ansh.
Good afternoon. My name is Ansh and I am from Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Okay. Tanvi.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Master Speaker Tanvi and I am from Gadag, Karnataka.
Sanvi.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanvi and I am from Gadag, Karnataka.
Tanish. Unmute. Unmute, sir, unmute.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Master Speaker Tanish. I am from Gadag, Karnataka.
Shubhashri.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I am Shubhashri and I am from Hubli, Karnataka.
Dia.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Master Speaker Dia. I am from Kadaprabha, Karnataka.
Good. Then we'll go to members. Still members are there, right? Okay. Or Aditi.
Hello everyone. My name is Aditi. I am from Hubli, Karnataka.
Good. Amrita.
I am Master Speaker Amrita from Kalas, Karnataka.
Raghavendra.
I am Master Speaker Raghavendra, right?
From
Kalas,
Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Good. Okay, so we'll go to the guest, Prajesh.
Hello, everyone. I am R. Prajesh. I am Tamil Nadu in Chennai.
Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Welcome. Palak.
Hello, everyone. My name is Palak Kedam and I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Good. Kirtana.
Hello everyone, I'm Kirtana. I'm from Hyderabad, Telangana.
Good. Then Rohit. Rohit.
Hello, hello everyone. I'm Rohit from Hubli, Karnataka.
Welcome. Chandan.
Hi guys, I'm Chandan and I am from Gurgaon, Haryana.
Haryana. Sairaj.
Hello, friends. My name is Cyrus Mante. I am from Odisha, Jajpur Road.
Odisha. Welcome. All right, Aditya.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Patil. I am from Hubballi, Karnataka.
Good. Did I miss on anyone? Saksham.
Hello everyone, I am Saksham and I am from Bangalore, Karnataka.
Okay, did I miss anyone? Did I miss anyone? Oh, okay. Akshata Hiremat.
Hi, everyone. I am Akshita Hiramat from Kopla, Karnataka.
Good, Varsha.
Hello, everyone. I am Varsha from Hubli, Karnataka.
Good. Yes, anybody else? Did I miss? So if I missed anybody, please introduce yourself. Okay. All right, I'm done. Over to you, Sergeant at Arms.
Good afternoon, everyone. My fellow Master Speakers, Toastmasters, and honorable guests. I welcome you all to the 54th meeting of Me for You Master Speakers Club. I am Master Speaker Dia, playing the role of Sergeant for today's meeting. Let me tell some ground rules of the meeting. Rule number 1, kindly keep yourself mute when you are not talking. Rule number 2, keep your camera on that shows our attentiveness in the meeting. Rule number 3, avoid speaking anything which is of no use such as politics and religion. President introduction. She is cute. She is the president of Me for Master Speakers Club. She is studying PUC Science. She is a member of Me for Master Speakers Club more than 1 year. Help me in welcoming my proud president, Master Speaker Anjali Kulkarni. Over to you, Master Speaker Anjali Kulkarni.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Dia, for your generous introduction. Before me giving the President address, I request Master Speaker Ansh to please read out the minutes of last meeting.
Thank you, Master Speaker Anjali. Last meeting theme was why this, why me, why no, and word was dispute. And further the terms vote was taken by Master Speaker Submangwada Sub, and Master of Ceremony MOC was taken by Master Speaker Subhasri, and topics master was taken by Master Speaker Niti, and speaking master was taken by Master Speaker Arsil. Feedback master was taken by Master Speaker Amrita, and speaking master 2 was taken by Master Speaker Aditi, and feedback master 2 was taken by Master Speaker Suha. Meeting evaluator Master Speaker Anil, time master Master Speaker Raghavendra, and filler master was taken by Master Speaker Ganesh, and grammar master was taken by Mike, and role for guest listening master was taken by Master Speaker Dia, puzzle master was taken by Master Speaker Sanji, jokes master was taken by Master Speaker Kitana, and GK master was taken by guest Jeet Ralkar. Story master was taken by Master Speaker Khan. Over to you, Master Speaker.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Ansh. So before everything, I would like to wish a very happiest Father's Day to everyone. Today's meeting number is 54, and the theme is 80-20 principle. 80-20 principle, a big question mark. So let me clear that theme with the simplest example, which we all do, or almost all have done already, or which we all do it in our daily lives. We all go to schools, right? We all go to colleges. In schools, when teacher, especially history classes, and in college, some maths class, if the teacher is teaching, we don't pay attention. We feel, okay, I'll study tomorrow. Exam is very much far. It is there, and why should I study now only? Let me enjoy. Let me bunk the classes. Let me sleep in the class. Let me enjoy the day. And the next day, the same thought. There'll be 5 days gap for exam date, and we'll be yet in this 5th day, and still we'll be like 5 days are there. Still, that's okay. I will enjoy my day. And at the end, that would be a biggest hectic. Even I have done that. I yet remember in the 10th standard, 9th standard, 8th standard, each and every standard, I've just opened the books before the exam and just study whole night, whole day, whole night till 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. I used to sit and study, and the end I would go to the school and then write the exam. Okay, marks were quite good. But what if I would have studied daily? The day madam has been taught, I would just come home and study, then that would be a good, easy for me, right? And I would score much better marks than what I would. So main thing is 80-20 principle. If you do a particular work with 100% of efforts, at least if you do 20%, okay, let's take 20% efforts, 20% that to 100% attention in that particular work itself, then the result will be 80%. If you do 20% of work with 100% of attention in only that work, if you're studying, so just sit and study. You don't touch your mobile, or you don't just see for some other books. If you're just studying, then just study with this book itself. Then if you study only for 20%, then there would be 80% of result. This is what 80-20 principle states. It is not just that we have to apply it only in studies. It is in case of business too. In our whole daily life, if you do at least 20% of your work perfectly, then 80% of the result will be there. So now let's begin our 54th meeting of Me For You Master Speakers Club. So our MOC will be explaining the theme in much more detail. Today's MOC is the senior most and also she has invited her grandson also to our Me For You Master Speakers Club. She is very active and very intelligent too. Personally, I just love how way she speaks and what she speaks has lots of meaning. Especially, I love her prepared speeches because I learn a lot from her prepared speech. So please help me in welcoming today's MOC, Master of Ceremony, Master Speaker Amrita ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, President Anjali, for your genius introduction. Good afternoon, everyone, fellow masters, master speakers, and honorable guests. I am Amrita Yajurvedi. In this meeting, I playing the role of Master of Ceremony. It is my heartily welcome you all for the 54th meeting of the New For You Master Speakers Club. My specially welcome all guests for gracing in the meeting. I thank to all masters for allowing me to lead today's meeting. The Master Speakers Club was formed by DTM Mutturaj. Today's theme is 80-20 principle. What is the meaning of 80-20 principle? We would like any work there is our effort will 20%, result will come, our effort will 20%, result will come 80%. This is called as perfect work ability. This type work will give more happiness in our life. Back to the meeting. For benefit of the guest, would like explain the structure of the meeting. The meeting divided in three parts. Part number one. Please. The meeting divided in three parts. First round, prepared speeches, where member will deliver his speeching based on the presenter. The meeting is the table topic. Guests are also welcome to participate in this round as well. The third and final round is evaluation round, in which all the prepared speeches as well as other aspects by meeting evaluator. In this meeting, our meeting evaluator is very smart girl. She knows many types of dances. She is good dancer and got 3 times in Best Speakers Award in this club. And today, her birthday also. Welcome to meeting evaluator, Master Speaker Shubhashri.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Amrita. I mean, that was such a magnificent introduction of mine. Well, greetings to President, Master Speakers, and honored guests. I am Master Speaker Shubhashri and playing the role of meeting evaluator for today's meeting. Well, the truth remains same, that evaluation provides systematic method to study yourself or initiative to understand how well it achieves its goals. And today, my duty is to evaluate everything that takes place before the meeting and during the meeting. And that I cannot do it alone. And hence, I have a team to do it all. So help me to call my team. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yes. So the team consists of time master, grammar master, filler master, and listening master. Well, our today's timer master is someone from Hyderabad who has beautiful vocal sound and someone who is great with their artwork. Help me call up Master Speaker Kirtana as timer master to explain her role.
Hello, Master Speakers and guests. I'm Master Speaker Sankirtana, playing the role of Timer Master for today's meeting. For Timer Master, topic speakers will have 1 to 2 minutes. At 1 minute, I'm going to show the green card. And at 1 minute 30 seconds, I'm going to show the yellow card. And at 2 minutes, I'm showing the red card. Prepared speeches will have 3 to 5 minutes. At 3 minutes, I'm going to show the green card. And at 3 minutes, at 4 minutes, I'm going to show the yellow card. And at 5 minutes, I'm going to show the green card. It is my responsibility to keep track of prepared speeches and speakers. I'm going to give my feedback at the end of the meeting. Thank you. Over to you, meeting evaluator.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Kirtana. I also request you to please change the virtual background because I think it's quite disturbing for people to watch the screen because it's not completely visible. It's quite disturbing. Well, moving to a filler master for today, who is a young master speaker, Master Speaker Raghavendra. This master speaker loves cooking and helps his elders with a lot of things. Also the one who loves watching and playing outdoor games. Please help me call up Master Speaker Raghavendra to explain his role.
Thank you, Master Speaker Shubhashri. Good afternoon, everyone, fellow masters, master speakers, and honorable guests. I am Master Speaker Raghavendra. Today's meeting, I playing the role of filler master role. I listen carefully all speakers and count the filler words like a, am, repeat, to know, but, etc. When meeting evaluator call me, I will give me report. Thank you. Over to meeting evaluator, Master Speaker Subhashri.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Raghavendra. Turning to our next grammar master is someone who looks disciplined, speaks accordingly, and with her adorable face and a mad fan of BTS. She is one dedicated master speaker in the club. Help me welcoming our today's grammar master speaker, Neeti, to explain her role.
Thank you so much, meeting evaluator. Greetings to all the fellow master speakers and the guests. My name is Master Speaker Neeti and I am playing the role as a grammar master. It is my responsibility to listen to all the speakers carefully and note down some good usages and not so good usages of English language, which is used by the speakers during the meeting. As a grammar master, it is also my duty to introduce the word of the day. The word of the day is credence, Credence, which means belief in or acceptance of something as true. An example of using this word is if you want to give credence to your business, you should develop a company website. I request or encourage each and every master speaker to use this word of the day as many times as possible. We acknowledge the usage of word of the day by snapping our fingers whenever it is used. I'll be giving my report at the end of the meeting when meeting evaluator calls me. Thank you so much.
That was a beautiful explanation, Master Speaker Neeti. Thank you so much. We're introducing our next master, and that is listener master. So today's listener master is someone who is a little handsome and who has eternal support from his beloved sister and a confident master speaker. Help me call up our today's listening master, Master Speaker Tanish.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Master Speaker Tanish. Today I am playing the role of listener for today's meeting.
I will listen for the entire meeting and note down some important statements and some interesting things of the meeting. At last, I will give my listeners' report. Over to you, meeting evaluator.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker Tanish. So this is my team, and I shall come back once again to conduct the feedback session report. Also sending much power to every role taker and speaker. Good luck. Over to you, MOC.
Thank you, meeting elevator. Now let's go to first stage of the meeting, that is prepared speech. Today our first speaker is studying in 8th standard, very smart girl. Her pet friend Tanvi introduced in this club. Her voice is like a flute, good presence. Welcome to Master Speaker Sanvi.
Thank you, MOC, for this wonderful introduction. Good afternoon, Master Speakers, Toastmasters, and guests. I am Master Speaker Sanvi, playing the role of Speaking Master for today's meeting. And my today's topic is myself. My name is Sanvi A. Habib, and I study in 8th standard. My school's name is Sri Rajeshwari Vidyaniketan, Hulkoti. My hobbies are dancing and acting. I really love to do these in my free time. I recently opened my YouTube channel and I really love to upload my videos. My favorite colors are orange and pink. I really love these both colors in all of them. Moving to next, my favorite fruit is mango and custard apple. I really love to eat these in all of them. And it was a very difficult situation when I was leaving my old school and joining to new school. I was really very nervous when I was leaving my old school and joining to new school because it was my first experience when I was leaving my old school, because there were many of the good friends whom loved me and I loved them. They were really very caring and sharing. I was really very happy, but suddenly the syllabus was changed and I needed to change the school. So I just moved to my school, Sri Radeshwari Vidyaniketan, Hulkoti. I was very nervous at that time. The things which were coming in my mind were just what would I do if my studies were not well going on? What would I do if I made no friends? I was really very nervous. But after 2-3 months, I was adjusted there and there were many friends I made. Tanvi was my best friend at that time. She helped me in everything. She was just like my partner. She just helped me in everything, homework. And when I was joining this meeting first time, I was really very nervous because I just thought, what if my English is not good? And what if I speak something wrong? But then Tanvi gave me the support and this moved. Thank you. Over to you, meeting evaluator.
Okay.
Mind-blowing speech, Master Speaker Sanvi. Now let's go to our second speaker is studying in 8th standard. She wants to become a doctor, smart girl, Master Speaker Tanvi. Welcome, Master Speaker Tanvi. Screen for yours.
Thank you, Master Speaker Amrita, for your generous introduction. Good afternoon, Master Speakers and honored guests. I am Master Speaker Tanvi, and today I am going to give a speech on topic 80-20 principle. 80-20 principle means that if you give 20% hard work and you will get 80% result. For example, I am going to tell you my life incidents. First, when I was in 3rd or 4th standard, I participated in memory competition. I was not prepared anything. They just told us to bring kerchief and a pen and a piece of paper. I was not prepared anything. I was not knowing what they will call for thunder in English and incense stick. I just went and I participated there. They gave us something to taste and smell, and we should memorize it, and afterwards we should write it in a paper. I wrote some words in Kannada. Then after a week, the results are out. You will be thinking that I would get second or third place. No, you are wrong. I got first place. I was in a shock. How come can I get a first place? I was not prepared anything. I just wrote some words in Kannada. How can I get? Then I was happy that I got, because I just bought everything that things they told to bring. And the second incident was last year when I was in 7th standard on final exam. Before 2 to 3 weeks, I started my studies and I was in a tension and a stress. I started crying in front of my parents, telling that if I get less marks, you will scold me. How I will write. If I get very less marks, you will scold me. Then they told you, first stop crying, go and study. Do your best. This time you will study by yourself. If you will get less marks, you will get your ability that you will not do best and you will get less marks. Then I just went and studied, and then I gave the exam and I came. After a month, the results are out. Do you know how much percent I got? 94.5%. I was very happy. Then my parents told me, see, you got 94.5%. You are crying. Why are see, you got very much good marks. Then my mother told me, if you would study far from first, when this school starts studying you, then you would get more than this. You would get more than 95%. And at last, I would end my speech by giving you a take-home message. Please don't do like this, what I did. Please start your studies from first. When your school teacher starts studying you, after coming home, you can just study it or you can just practice it. Then after the exam and before when the exam will come near, you will be confident. You will take, okay, I have studied. I should just revise it and I have to practice it 2 to 3 times. Then I will be perfect and I will go and give my exam. Thank you, everyone. Over to you, MOC Master Speaker Amrita.
This is mind-blowing speech, Master Speaker Tanvi. Now moving to the second stage of the meeting, that is table topic. Table topic are the most funny and active in the club. And we have a table topic master to run this show. In this meeting, our table topic master is very intelligent, smart. He lead all role in this club. Master Speaker Shubh. Welcome to Master Speaker Shubh. Shubh Mangalwadi. Screen for yours.
Thank you very much, Master Speaker Amrita. So, hello fellow masters and guests. I am Master Speaker Shubh Mangalwadi. Today I am playing the role of a topics master. The table topics, also known as the impromptu speaking. But first, I'll tell you some timings of table topics. 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, as timer told, 1 minute, he will show, he or she will show the green card, 1 minute 30 seconds yellow card, 2 minutes red card, and you'll have 30 seconds to wrap up your speech. So today I'm going to make table topics a unique. So we'll have type of debate, not such as debate, but type of debate. So I'll pick up two speakers and I'll give one topic. They will share their opinion on that topic. But first, for the benefits of the guest, what is normal table topics? I I just want our first speaker, Master Speaker Muttaraj, just to share what is 80/20 principle. Just share your opinion on that.
Thank you very much, Table Topic Master. 80/20 principle. 80/20 principle is also called Pareto principle. The person who found this principle, his name is called Pareto. Pareto is a person, when he started doing research on this, he started getting different kinds of opinion about the results for whatever we put the efforts. And he started getting imagination. Now you see, in the entire world, the 80% of wealth, money, is with only 20% of people in this world. Yes or no? Only 20% of rich people have 80% of the world's worth. And then only 20% of drivers commit 80% of accidents. They are the responsible for that. And why not so? You see, you have so many subjects in your school, but you don't put all efforts to all the subjects. You put 80% of your efforts in only your favorite 20% subjects. And you have all the different kinds of clothes, and then shoes, books, pens, everything. But you use the 20% of your all the stationery or anything 80% of times. You have your favorite pen and you use that 80% of time again and again. Yes, isn't it? And you have your favorite shoes, favorite clothes, favorite t-shirt. You use that 80% of time. So what is the author going to tell here is, in a whole day, we work for 10 hours. But in that 10 hours, only that 2 hours, we put more efforts. We put more efforts and do the work. And that 2 hours what we work, that gives us 80% of results. Now, one example, live example is, now we master speakers, we have got 7 days a week, but what we do we meet all the 7 days? No, we put our 80% of efforts on Sunday, that is 12:45 to 2:30, and we get 80% result by putting 20% of efforts here. We only meet once in a week, but we get 80% of result here. And that you should know how you have to perform in this 20% effort that you are putting here. If we take role and by mistake, if we don't show up there, and it's gone, isn't it? So it's all about how you are going to get your 80% result. It's all about your 20% of efforts that you are going to put. That's why we all should be knowing that what time is our productive hours. I am productive in the morning. Okay, maybe Chandan is productive in the evening. He may be night bat. Okay, so I am a morning riser. I have to wake up at 5 o'clock, 5 to 8 o'clock, whatever I do, that's the best working hour of mine. That's how it goes. You all should know your power hour. At that time, you can do 80% of, you can get 80% of results. Thank you very much. Back to you, Topics Master.
Thank you very much, Master Speaker Muttaraj. Okay, this is a normal table topics, the original table topics, but let's do some different. So we will have 2 speakers. I have told it already. We have 2 speakers and 1 topic. So let's choose 2 speakers now. I'll just take the Master Speakers now. Master Speaker Anjali and Master Speaker Neeti. For just example for the guest. Okay. It's very easy. It's very easy topic. Can you respond? Yes. Can you tell yes?
Yes.
Yep. So it's very easy topic. 80% of pollution originates from 20% of factories. Yes, do you agree?
Yes.
So tell me your opinion. What do you think about it? So let's go first, Master Speaker Anjali.
Okay. So 80% pollution from 20% factories. So it is being always said nowadays in this generation, please plant trees. There's lots of pollution. There's a hole in the ozone layer too. It's always being said for everyone. In our books also it is being said, reduce, reuse, recycle. There are so many chapters regarding that, especially in geography or history also if you bring, or in chemistry also. At the end of our syllabus, at the end chapter will be save environment, reduce, reuse, recycle. And first main thing for the pollution is factories. When it comes to factories, there will be lots of waste being expelled in the rivers itself and even in air. So we being a citizen of India, we should at least try some innovative ideas to see that those waste water or waste material should not mix up with our main river, so that if it gets mixed up, then it will always join the sea, and again sea gets polluted. It is being also said that in the deepest ocean also there's being plastic is being found. So this is very sad news for all of us. Even animals are suffering just because of us. They have not done anything for us, but we are doing a lot for them. It is being very important. We should find such solution where those waste materials doesn't get mixed up with water and air. But one good news is that I have recently read it in news also. Due to this lockdown, in the ozone layer, which has been there was a hole in the ozone layer, but now it has been recovered, it seems. I have just heard it in news. That was really a very good news. I felt that this lockdown had given a very good effect for our environment too. And even I could see whenever I go for morning walk, there will be such a good environment. But important thing is, only just 20% of factories gives 80% of pollution to our earth. So this should be reduced somehow. We have to try. Today's youths are tomorrow's country's explanation. So we have to do something. So let's together do some. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Master Speaker Anjali. It was very informative. So let's make Master Speaker Neeti's speech little difficult. So Master Speaker Neeti, you should not copy any points of Master Speaker Anjali's speech. You have to tell it different. Okay, over to you.
Okay, thank you so much. First of all, I agree with my speaker Anjali. And now in lockdown, we can see that before we could not see dolphins and many other, which are the sea animals, aquatic animals, we could not see much. But when the lockdown started, I had seen once in the news that we could see dolphins in many water bodies. I think it was after 2 to 3 months after the lockdown, we could see dolphins. That is such a beautiful thing, right? Now in the lockdown, we are all staying in the home. And once when I was sitting with my father said, my father, that before the lockdown there was so much of pollution. Now now we are having a good air. Now we are reducing pollution, right? My dad said, yes, Niti, you are right. And now that now we are also having technology that we are making electric vehicles, which is which does not produce pollution. That is also a really good thing. I first of all appreciate all the human or the people who are making this, who are trying to bring more technology in vehicles also, which is pollutionless. And then I asked my father that sometimes factories, what happens is sometimes factories they give out so much of pollution with all the chemicals and all. My dad said that in paper mills, where I have seen in paper mills that they are trying to reduce pollution and they are trying to decompose the chemicals. They are introducing the new technology. Sometimes technologies can be very harmful for us, and sometimes it can be can be useful for us and the environment. So I would just like to end my speech that go green and say yes to technology. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Master Speaker Neeti. Congratulations, Master Speaker Anjali and Master Speaker Neeti, for your table topics, unique table topics. Okay, now let's go to guests. Now I'll choose guest Chandan and guest Aditya. Yes, can you respond? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, you are just elder to all of us. I'll just give a normal topic for you, not for us. Okay, just think you're going to an interview. Okay, You are going to give an interview. You have 80% of knowledge. You have 80% of knowledge and you have only 20% of time. How will you execute your knowledge by only 20%? Okay, first let's go to my guest Chandan. Is it okay?
Chandan, you have about your knowledge about coding. Okay. Now also
Yeah.
you have only 2 minutes time, so you have to execute your knowledge in 2 minutes. Okay, it's the time you have to tell about your talent in 2 minutes. Go ahead. What kind of talent you have? Yeah, your coding talent and all, whatever talent you have, what are you good at? Tell us.
I think I have no particular talent, but I do code. I do like to better code in data structure, and I made in 2 minutes a very convenient program.
Go ahead, Chandan. Go ahead. You still have time until you see the red card.
Okay. Thank you for that card.
What iOS apps and all tell?
Just you can tell about coding. You learn in just 1 minute.
Yeah, what is coding? How to learn that?
Yeah.
In my career, I learned coding only YouTube and Udemy. That's it. And I never joined coaching. In fact, this is my first coaching in English. That's it. Okay, yellow card. That's it, Madam Edson.
Okay, no problem. Well tried, guest Chandan. Okay, guest Aditya.
Yes.
Did you understand the topic?
Once again, you tell me the topic.
Okay. You have 80% of knowledge with you. Yes. You have only 20% of time to execute it. So how will you execute it?
Should I tell like an interview or?
You should only tell how will you execute your knowledge in just 20% of time.
Okay. Sure. Hello, my name is Aditya Patil. I have knowledge about having knowledge in multiple branches, like I have completed diploma in civil engineering, and outside I am learning for computer coding. Like Chandan sir, I have learned C, C++, and now I am learning Java also. And I have knowledge in both the branches. I have completed civil and I am top in surveying. I did the surveys like roads, bridges, and all. And further in coding also, I am practicing now. It's a beginning level. Then I have practical knowledge more than the theoretical knowledge. By this, I am concluding my speech by saying that I have knowledge in multiple branches like civil and computer science. I have 80% of knowledge and I'm completing my speech in 20% of time. My speech is over.
Thank you very much, guest Aditya. Well tried. So let's go to guests. So many guests are very difficult to choose.
Well, let me tell who can be the next speaker. Okay, Prajesh, are you there? Prajesh? Prajesh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the topic is for you, and then we have Palak and Prajesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Palak and Prajesh, you both have to speak now. Okay, so understand the formula, whatever he's saying first, and then go on speaking. Okay. Well.
Okay, it's very normal topic. It's not difficult. I'm just gonna tell you, 20% of drivers, just take drivers, cause 80% of accidents. That's the topic. Is it okay, or I have very easy topic now?
Okay. Do you know about accidents, Prajesh?
Sir, can you tell again, sir? I did not.
Sir, otherwise I'll tell him and her that just tell your introduction, and we'll see their differentiation, right?
No, they can speak well. They can speak well. Okay. So otherwise, you can tell about give one particular separate topic. Maybe if it is not 80-20.
Okay. No problem. Okay. Guess Prajesh. Can you unmute yourself? Yes. Where are you from? Can you tell me where are you from?
I am from Tamil Nadu, Chennai.
Okay, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Have you heard about the Chepauk Stadium?
Yes, I know the Chepauk Stadium, the cricket stadium.
Okay, you know it very well. So tell me about your city and about Chepauk Stadium. Yeah, it's okay? Yeah.
I go many times in Chepauk Stadium and I saw cricketers.
Okay, just tell about your city. Just tell about your city. Just leave Chepauk Stadium.
You have to speak
Tell
until you see the red card. Until you see the red card from Kirtana, you have to go on speaking.
You're muted. Yeah.
My city name is Chennai.
Go on.
Near Chepauk Stadium, there is a beach. Hotels. That's all.
Yes, thank you very much, guest Pradesh. Yes, Palak.
Yes,
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Okay, I don't know the speciality of Nagpur. Just talk about any speciality of your city or your state.
Okay, the specialty of Nagpur is oranges. The oranges are famous in Nagpur.
You have to speak for 2 minutes. Please go ahead. Tell whatever is there in your hometown. What else is there to see in Nagpur?
There is Maharaj Bagh also to see in Nagpur.
Okay.
And Ambazari Lake also.
Okay.
It is very famous lake in Nagpur.
Okay. All right. Good. Thank you.
Thank you very much, guest Palak. So now let's do it. Another unique thing, guest versus mass speaker.
Okay. All right. Then you can take Akshada Hiremat And then
Okay.
Sohan.
Yes, Master Speaker Sohan. So, which topic? Okay, I've got it from Master Speaker Muttara's speech. So, you have, so please respond yes, both of you. Please respond yes.
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 Yes. 80, you have 80% of cloths and only use 20% of it. Guess, Master Speaker Sohan, you can start. So, guest Akshata will be used for the topic.
Can you repeat the topic, please, once more?
You have 80% of clothes or anything.
Okay.
80% of clothes or anything, and you will only use 20% of it.
Okay. So the topic is if you have 80% of your cloth and you should make anything from 20% of it. Is it, yeah, the way?
You have 80% of clothes. You have more clothes, okay?
Okay.
You only use your favorite clothes, that is 20%. You don't
Okay.
use left out 60% of the clothes.
Okay. So I will use the cloth to make a really small dress because I have to cut it like 20% of it and I have to make a cloth from it, as I know. And if I would get the cloth, I would make actually like a cloth football, because in our football we have a section where we have to practice with balls and pass with our bare legs, because if we kick a real ball, then we will feel really hurt about it, because the football will be like air tightened and plastic kind of thing. So if we kick it, then we'll get really very hurt, because the section is all about like a great pass or a kick. In football, we have to kick very really hard, because the goalkeeper has abilities to catch the ball to stop it from going to goal. So we have a separate section called a kick, like a kicking place, where our coach kicks the ball, the like passes at the ball. We have to shoot it from a bare leg, so that it increases our stamina, and it increases the strength of our leg, and it makes a better football person, as I am now. Actually, I'm very really very happy, because I was a team leader of my school. As I'm not in school, I miss those days when I used to be in the coaching section and be the team of the leader, and I used to be the number one in the place, because I used to play a lot of football when I used to come home. And back in the school, in our free period also, we would used to play football a lot, because in 8th standard we loved football, and we loved Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi, so no one replaces them at all in the future days also. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much, Master Speaker Sohan. I knew it, you will relate it to football. Okay, guest Akshata.
Yeah.
So have you got it? I'll just repeat it for you, okay? So
okay.
You have, I'm not telling it by 80% or 20%. It will be just difficult to understand. You have more clothes, okay? You have more clothes.
Okay.
You'll only use your favorite clothes, that is 20%. So do you do that? Just speak about it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, my topic is I have more clothes, but I wear 20% of clothes. My favorite clothes is some, so I wear daily that my favorite clothes, and I keep aside of my 80% of clothes, and I will wear daily my favorite clothes, because I like some colors, they are pink and etc. And about that colors, black, green, I don't like that, so I don't take that color clothes. So I want to wear the light colors dresses, and I want to show I want to see a beautiful. So I want to wear my favorite clothes. So about 80% of clothes it will be waste. So some clothes are there
for me, and it will be fair to me, and give some clothes to my cousins. So it will be waste. So I don't like that. My mom will be shouting to me. So you will wear so more clothes. You will have more clothes, and why should not wear this? So I don't. No, I don't wear that. My favorite clothes is there. So I wear that only. And more clothes is there, but we don't wear. There it will be a waste. Thank you.
Great guess, Akshata. It was great to hear you. So next, Master Speaker Aditi.
Yes. Yeah, with Aditi, who will you take up? Jeet, are you getting it or it is difficult? You're finding it difficult. If you are getting it, you can pick up Jeet. Or we can give you an easiest topic if this is difficult.
Sir, I'll hear still like one or two speeches, sir, then I'll try to say it.
Okay. So otherwise, afterwards, you can take up in a regular way. Okay. Yeah. Good. With Aditi, anybody who would like to pick up again? You see who any master speaker who have not taken roles?
Master Speaker Shubhashri.
Shubhashri went actually. She is bit busy. I'll take her role also. Anyone else?
Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay. If no one is there, you can go with like a regular way.
Yes, sir.
With her. Yeah.
Okay, Master Speaker Aditi.
Yes.
Yes. So I have experienced it. My father also experienced it. I'm going to tell that topic. 20% of fake companies. Yes, fake companies, fake. To make it easy, I'll just tell you an example. My father ordered a Rado watch online. When it came, it turned into fake. Yes, now we got it?
Yes.
So 20% of fake companies' products represent 80% of sales. But 80% of original companies represent only 20% of sales. Got to know?
No.
Okay, just take it only one line. 20% of fake companies represent 80% of sales. What do you think about it? If you become a police officer, I'll make it easy. You got to know fake companies are representing more sales. What will you take action about them?
If I was a police officer, if I
Your
get
voice
to know
is
that
not audible.
they are
Your voice is.
1 second. Wait a second. Now is my voice audible?
Yes.
If I was a police officer, if I get to know they are doing these all things, then I would go and I would research about their all companies, and I would go and seal those all companies, and I would give them a jail, and I would say them that you are doing this all for some money. If they are doing it unwantedly, means they will have a reasons one time. They will do it for a reason or everything. I would seal those companies, and I would research about those companies, and I would go and seal those companies, and I would say, and original products will be given to everyone, and the fake will be not given. I will just seal the fake. That's all. I didn't get to know that topic much.
Yes, no worries. So you spoke, you are a very strict police officer. We got to know that. You directly went to jail. So thank you very much, Master Speaker Aditi. Sorry for that. It's for giving you a non-understandable topic. Master Speaker Mutturaj wants to speak. You can speak.
Yeah, Aditi can make a video and share with us that her bad experience purchasing something online. If you have anything as such. Yeah.
Once what happened, means I was in my granny's home. That time my mama said, I asked my mama to order me. It was my birthday. Then I asked my mama to purchase a doll or something. Then when we purchased the thing, then they said it will come in 5 days. Then it didn't arrive. When we called to that phone number, they said that this SIM is not anymore, and we paid the amount 2,000. The amount went, and we didn't got the gift. That only same thing happened with my relation also. They said you will get a free car. You have to give 5,000 to the bank. Then you will get it in the 5 days. Then they gave 5,000 to the bank, and in the 5 days, when they called to that account, the SIM was not available. When they did police complaint, the police also couldn't catch the who did this cheating.
Okay, good. So that's how it happens
Okay.
most of the time. Good.
Thank you very much, Master Speaker Aditi. So let's go to the next speaker, the last or the second last. So
Yeah.
guest Rohit.
Yeah.
Yes, Rohit. Yeah. Can you unmute yourself?
Hi. Yes, I'm here.
Yes. Can I know what do you work?
I'm a student, a learning diploma final year now.
Okay, so you'll understand my topic.
Yeah. Shall I turn off the camera because it's so much blur here? That's why.
No problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you are.
Yes. Okay, 20% of employees. 20% of employees are responsible for 80% of the result of company.
Okay.
Okay. Why are the employees responsible for 80% of company? So the company's best results.
Okay. You are telling
this
that
is the topic.
20% of the people, the work of the 20% of people is giving best result compared to 80% of them, right?
Yeah.
Actually, what type? Shall I share what I do believe on this topic, right?
Yes. Just share your opinion.
Okay. According to me, recently the 80-20 rule, which was, it is famous. If we search it in Google or anywhere, we can get the 80-20 rule, which is which has occurred, and so many people have seen happening this in reality. But again, when some explorers have explored it deeply, and even I seen an example which you have given me, that 20% of the workers' effort is making the company grow compared to the 80% of them, right? So actually, according to me, what happens, the 20% who are working in the company, when they start their work, when they work for 10 hours or maybe 12 hours, they will feel that it's just 1 hour or half an hour. For example, you gave a topic that 80% of drivers for all like that. So what do I personally believe, that the 20% of the worker who are making the company grow are enjoying the work first of all, and if they work in their company for 10 to 12 or 15 hours, then still they will feel that they are just worked for 15 to 20 minutes, because they don't feel the time going on, because they are enjoying the work. So I think that the company it's not possible to have all the workers who are enjoying the work of that company. So actually, in average, in every company, if there are 100 workers, then the 80 workers will be working for that company for any financial reasons or any job reasons. But the 20 people who are making the company grow, actually they are working because it's their passion and they don't feel that time go on their work. That's why. Shall I continue? Okay.
Good.
Yeah. Thank you, guest Rohit.
Okay.
So, sir, if you tell, so, sir.
Yeah.
Mutara sir, what will you do? Just give guest Jeet a last topic or just end it?
Yeah, Jeet can take up a last topic.
Okay. Guest Jeet?
Yes.
So, which topic or which concept you are comfortable for?
Any topic.
Yeah.
Okay, any topic. Okay. So, what is the meaning of your name? Jeet.
It means win.
Win. Okay. Just imagine you're playing cricket. I'll relate it to my thing. So, just think you're playing cricket. You won a match. What would be your reaction?
I would feel happy with that, because I won the match, and I would even thank my play. I would even thank my team, which because of our team and I, we means like our we have played so good that we won the match. My opponents may be stronger than us or maybe weaker. That doesn't matter. I just play for entertainment. I don't care about losing. Sir, my video, I have a video problem, so I have to off my video. Is it okay?
Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I don't care about winning and losing. I just play friend, and I don't like if the opposite team wins. I wouldn't feel that I should have won. I should have our team should have won the match because I didn't play good. I would not think like that. I would think that they played good, so they won. They won the match. And if I wouldn't, 1 minute. That's for all. It's over. Thank you.
Thank you very much, guest Jeet. So, my speakers and guest, sorry. I'm not feeling well, so sorry. So, my speakers and guest, thank you very much for your cooperation. This is it. The table topic master enjoyed a lot. So, I hope you also enjoyed a lot. Just unmute yourself and tell thumbs up or tell yes, you enjoyed a lot.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I don't want the claps reaction. I want the original face on your video. Tell yes.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Very happy that you all enjoyed. So, yeah, let's end it. Over to you, MOC. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Master Speaker Shub. Let's move to the last stage of the meeting, that is evaluation round. Evaluation is everywhere. Without evaluation, there is no room for improvement. I would like to the meeting evaluator is Master Speaker Mutturaj Badge. Welcome to sir.
Thank you very much.
I am back, sir. Can I just pick
You're
up?
here? Shubhashri,
Yep,
you're here?
I am.
Yeah.
Yes, I am.
Yes. Come on.
Thank you, MOC. Greetings again, and I am back with my report now. I request my team to give the report in order. Now, I request Time Master, Master Kirtana, to give out the report.
Thank you. Yeah. Report. MS Thanvi taken 2 minutes. MS Thanvi taken 3 minutes 30 seconds. And guest Chandan taken 1 minute 52 seconds. Guest Aditya taken 1 minute 31 seconds. Guest Prakash taken 1 minute. Guest Palak taken 1 minute 14 seconds. Guest Akshata taken 1 minute 36 seconds. Master Speaker Sohan taken 2 minutes 19 seconds. Master Speaker Aditi taken 1 minute 16 seconds. Guest Rohit taken 2 minutes 26 seconds. Guest Jeet taken 1 minute 49 seconds. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Kirtana. Your contribution as a timer was great today. You followed the rules, and that included showing the cards, tracking the time, and not putting off your video. Well, area of improvement. You got to mention only non-qualifiers in order to save the time, and it is not necessary to mention the time. You can forward it in the group for sure. So congratulations on your role today. Moving on to the next report, I request the Philo Master to deliver his report. Master Speaker Raghavendra.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Master Speaker Niti.
Master Speaker need to take
I'll take 4. 4A.
4A. Repeat 3. Master Speaker Anjali
Taken by A.
A 5.
Repeat 2.
Repeat 2. Guest Akshata
A5.
A5.
3
5 repeat.
Guest Rohit.
Guest Rohit take 4A. 3 repeat 2.
Guest Rohit.
Master Speaker Tanvi 6A 1 repeat 2.
Tanish.
Master Speaker Tanish took A1.
Aditi.
Master Speaker Aditi A4 repeat 4. Guest
Palak.
Take
A1. Aditya. Guest
Aditya A4. Master Speaker Shubh A4 1 repeat. Master Speaker Sanvi 3A. Master Speaker Sohan 7A repeat 5. Guest Jeet A5 2. This is my report. Over to you, Master Speaker Shubhashri. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Raghavendra. Your role as Philo Master was amazing. Great job on observing and recording the necessary. You were great, little champ. So, area of improvement. You got to be a little more confident when you're submitting the report. Thank you so much. Congratulations on your role. Well, now I request Grammar Master, Master Speaker Niti, to deliver her report.
Thank you so much, meeting evaluator. Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, I'm back with my Grammar Master report. So the word of the day was used by no one. No one used word of the day. Then one of the master speaker used honorable. You should spell it honorable. H is silent. Then one of the master speaker used this sentence. There are members. Their members will be delivering speech. So here you could have used here members will be delivering their speech. Next, I playing. You could have used I am playing. The am was missing. Next, one of the master speaker used give me report. So you could have used my report. I think you had an intention of telling my report, and by mistakenly you have used me report. No problem. One of the master speaker used when I was joining this meeting for the first time. So you are telling about the past. You are speaking about the past. You could have used when I joined this meeting for the first time. In table topics, one of the master speaker used be the team of the leader. I think you switched the two words. So you could have used be the leader of the team. One of the master speaker used shouting to me. So you could have used shouting me. And two master speakers used this word while giving the report. You used taken. So you are talking about the past tense. So you could have used took. And this was my report of Grammar Master. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Niti. Your report was purely observed and you were great enough with your role today. Well, I also request every role taker and speaker to please use the word of the day. This is the place where you can explore with newness. Well, running to the next master, that is listener master. So I call upon Master Speaker Tanish to deliver his report.
First question, who played the role of Sergeant? Master Speaker Diya. Yes. What is today's theme?
80-20 principle.
80-20 principle. 80-20 principle. Yes. Who has birthday today?
Master
Speaker Shubhasri.
Shubhasri madam.
Yes. Who is second prepared speaker?
Master Speaker
Tanvi. Yes. Which topic did Master Speaker Shubh give topic to Master Speaker Anjali?
%80 of factors and 20% of factors and 20% of pollution.
Good. Good. Correct.
Yes.
Tanish, you are there, Tanish?
Over to you, Master Speaker. Yes, sir.
You got stuck. Actually, you were stuck. Whether the answer was correct or not, Akshatas. What pollution?
Yes.
She told about Anjali's topic.
So I should leave.
Okay, there's some network issue, I think.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Tanish. Great listening skills and questions were quite sensible enough. Areas of improvement, please make sure the network doesn't give hand in between.
I'm outside room now.
Sorry.
No, go ahead.
All right, so yes, now I request feedback master, the first feedback master, first speaker, Master Speaker Mutiraj, to please give feedback for the
Yeah.
Master Speaker Sanvi.
Yes. Thank you very much, Feedback Master, for giving me an opportunity to give the feedback for the speaker number 1. Speaker number 1, Sanvi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now it's my time to give you feedback about your speech. The first thing that I liked about your speech was you gave in detailed information about your school and your friends, your family, everything. The best thing I liked was you spoke about your school. That was, you spoke about your 2 schools that you changed, okay, step by step. And most of them have experience changing the schools here. Okay, so one was our MS Ansh has the same story of changing one school to another. Okay, and you also have changing the school. Experience of changing the school is always, it is that whatever you shared, most of them were able to connect it. Okay, good. What I was another thing that what you can improve in terms is you can take some help from the seniors, as if how you can deliver a prepared speech in terms of timing and all. Okay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So timing given was 3 to 4 minutes. You had still a lot of time. Okay, so you could have still structured your speech. It was all about icebreaker in the sense what you need to structure it very properly, and you can also tell what you want to do in future. Okay, you told about your birth to till now. Okay, you can still talk about your future. You can also talk about your future. All right, so what you want to do in your life and all, everything that would really add some more value. And also you already mentioned that you are a YouTuber and your likes, dislikes, everything you mentioned.
Yes,
sir. There were 2 words repeatedly used, were really and very. Okay, so you can have a control on them for a while. Really and very. That was very good. She helped me very much. Very, very, very were there, and the really was there. So only those 2 words you can control. And as if you mentioned, you are a YouTuber, you have started a YouTube channel recently, and you also mentioned about your parents, friends, and the school members, everything. Most of the thing you have covered. Only thing is that you can give it a better structure. You can give it a nicer structure, and you still had a lot of time. Okay, you had still 2 minutes time. You could have spoken still more. We all wanted to listen to you more. And next time when you prepare a speech, you can go for the full time you can use. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you. Very well job done. I promote you to the next level. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Muturaj. Now moving to our second feedback master, I call upon Master Speaker Sohan to please give feedback to Master Speaker Tanvi.
Okay, thank you. The topic chosen by Master Speaker Tanvi was 80-20%. I like that she explained the 80-20% principle. If she would have not explained and go on speaking, we would have not catch her up. And actually, the area of improvement is it was a great speech, but there was a slightly grammatical mistake. If there was zero silly mistakes, then it would be a great speech, because it was a prepared speech. There should be 0 mistakes at all. And I like the way she shared her personal experience about 80-20% principle, and it made it much more clear. Yeah, this was my report. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Sohan. Well, overall the meeting was incredible. I have obtained a lot and a very good time to pursue new with fun. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Handing back to the MOC.
Yeah. Shall I host this thing, polling? Okay, I'm going to poll everyone. Please, you have to vote right now. I'm going to put 1 second. Okay, so it is going to come as go green. So don't take it as a go green. It is especially for this meeting only. Okay. All right, guys, are you able to see now? Everyone has to vote. Everyone has to vote. Okay. Nidhi, do you know how to withdraw from co-host? Maybe there you might get an option, no?
Sir, actually, no, sir. I have tried many times, sir. It's in more I went. It's went and just no, sir. No.
I'm also not able to remove you from
Records,
co-host.
no.
No?
No, sir.
Okay, guys, you
Only
need to
you can
vote.
withdraw me from.
No, I'm not able to see that. Otherwise, I'll make you host. Only make a host is there. Okay, everybody's voting. Chandan, did you vote?
No, sir. My submit button is not highlighted.
No, you have to scroll up. Scroll up. There are 3 questions you have to answer.
Oh.
Everybody has to vote. 3 questions are there.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else who is not able to do it? All right.
No, sir.
Everybody has done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 3 members. We are host only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Out of 17, 15% is done. Okay. Jai Hind. I'm ending the poll. Just a minute. Okay. All right. Okay. So now the winners go like this. Who is the best table topic speaker? Okay, I will tell here only the best table topic speaker who has taken this table topic speaker has taken 40% votes from 100%. Out of 100%, she has taken 40% votes. None other than master speaker Niti. Okay, Niti has taken 40% votes. Then as a table topic speaker. All right, I'll go to the role player. Okay, role player. Yay, this shouldn't be there. Again, same here. 33%. 33% vote is taken by Niti Dolakya. 33% in the best role player. Okay, again it goes to Niti. All right, second highest is Shubhashri. She has taken 20%. No, Shubh is second highest, not Shubhashri. Shubh is second highest with the 20 as a role player. Then the best speaker award goes to, yes, Mass Speaker Tanvi. Good. Mass Speaker Tanvi with the role that is she has taken 60% of vote. 60% of vote out of 100. All right, good job done. So here it goes to the first time in the history, I believe we have got a double star for the one single role player. Good job done. Thank you. Great job done, Mass Speaker Niti. Double. I think next, I don't know how it is going to go next time also. Everybody really did a wonderful job. Okay, good. Yeah, over to you, President. And sorry, Master of Ceremony, is it? Yeah. Master of Ceremony, yes. Over to you, Master of Ceremony. You have to give to President.
Thank you, meeting evaluator Shubhasri and Mutaraj Badge. It's time for me to leave and hand out our dear and near President Anjali Kulkarni. Thank you. Until next time, thank you for giving me an opportunity. Over to you, President Anjali Kulkarni. Thank you.
We have a story master also. Story master, yes. He has already started crying. So yeah, time for the story master. Yeah. Story master, blockbuster story, please present.
Good afternoon, fellow masters and guests. Today I will. Story has very important part of everybody's life. There are many benefits of constructive story. First benefit is the boost listening skills. Second is it increases communication skills. It also helps sharpens our memory. Last but not least, it makes learning easier. Today's theme is 80-20 principle. This principle was given by Pareto. Today I am telling a story on the fox on the straw. One day, a selfish fox invited a stork for dinner. Stork was very happy with the invitation. 3 days the fox moved and on the time and knocked the door. Fox took her to dining table and served soup in shallow bowl for both of them. As bowl was too shallow for the straw, she could not. A bowl was too shallow for the straw. She couldn't have soup at all. But the fox lapped up his soup quickly. The stork was angry and upset, but he didn't show his anger and behaved politely. To teach a lesson to Fox, she then invited him for dinner the next day. She too served soup, but this time the soup was served in 2 tall narrow vessels. The stork devoured the soup from her vase, but Fox couldn't drink any of it because of his narrow neck. The fox realized his mistake and went home ashamed. Moral of the story is a selfish act backfire sooner or later. Thank you. Over to you.
Fantastic. Shall we have a group pic? Can everybody dare to start your camera and show your maximum beautiful and handsome face? Everyone. Okay, Jeet Riker.
Master Speaker Amruta
Master Speaker Amruta, would you like to choose help us to understand the pose? Do you have any pose prepared, or the others can try? You want to give it? You want to give it? Yeah. Okay. Now Raghavendra is ready. Raghavendra, do you want to suggest how pose?
Thank you, pose.
Sir. This is a okay. Fine. Raghavendra is suggesting this pose is everyone just left hand. You guys have to show your left hand. What's your left hand? Where's your left hand? All right. Okay. Sambi. Fingers front. Okay. All right. Everyone. 1, 2, 3. Click. Done. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, President, over to you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for attending the meeting. Thank you for even guests for cooperating and speaking in table topics too. And special thanks to all role players who have played their role and continuously sitting in the meeting too. And congratulations to all the winners. And let's see the next meeting who will be the winner. And I request everyone to make the video and share it in the group of the theme. Then I would like to hand over to Raj sir if any other further.
Yeah. Thank you very much, President Anjali. Now, to make the meeting good to great, what we can do today? Some people didn't understand the theme in the beginning. In the beginning, they didn't understand the theme. I will tell you, dear friends, what we'll do is one of the reasons was we announced the theme late. That is one. Okay. Maybe what we'll do now is we announce the theme if possible today itself and share the video link of that. Okay. You all have to watch the video again and again to understand what actually is the theme. We give the theme only all about the books. Okay. It's very clear. about the self-help books. Why we are telling about the self-help books? The reason is that I regret now that I should have read a lot of books. Okay, now you see Chandan today, he says that he has not taken any formal education about coding, but he has cracked and he is working on that. Okay, but this is all about learning or having some education about the self-help. There are a lot of successful people on the earth. They have done extra reading other than regular their course book reading. Okay, even the successful stars, movie stars, entrepreneurs, the richest people in the world, they all read a lot. And today, whatever you read, whatever all about, it's a self-help book, improving your personality, will really help you a lot in your future. So first thing is that we will share the link and decide the theme for the next meeting in advance by the end of the day today itself. Maybe about the role players we can decide later, but the theme about that we'll put today itself, so that you can start planning for that. And about the video also, I have already put the guidelines how you can make the video, so that you can start preparing the video. Those who prepare the video, while preparing the video, you will start doing a lot of workout on that, understanding about the theme. Okay, so that will really help you out, and then you can speak step by step. All right, Ansh wants to say something. Yes, Ansh.
Sir,